Sentences using if. Mga pangungusap gamit ang kung o kapag. If it rains, we will get wet. Kapag umulan, mababasa tayo. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. Kung mag-aaral ka ng mabuti, maipapasa mo ang pagsusulit. If he comes, please tell him to wait. Kapag dumating siya, pakisabi maghintay siya. If you work hard, you will succeed. Kung magtatrabaho ka ng mabuti, magtatagumpay ka. If you ask him, he will help you. Kung tatanungin mo siya, matutulungan ka niya. If you have a family, you are a blessed one. Kung may pamilya ka, ikaw ay pinagpala. If you eat your lunch, you will not get hungry. Kung kinain mo ang iyong pananghalian, hindi ka magugutom. If you had invited them, they would have come. Kung inimbitahan mo sila, maaaring sila ay nakarating. If you had told us, we would have helped you. Kung kami ay napagsabihan mo, maaaring natulungan ka namin. If you wake up early, you will not be late. Kung gumising ka ng maaga, hindi ka sana nahuli. If you had enough money, you would have bought them. Kung may sapat na pera ka sana, mabibili mo sana ang mga iyon. If you have a dream, believe in yourself and achieve it. Kung may pangarap ka, maniwala ka sa sarili mo at tuparin ito. If only I knew it, I will not be deceived. Kung alam ko lang sana iyon, hindi ako maluloko. If I turn you loose, will you run? Kung papakawalan kita, tatakbo ka ba?